We want to travel.
And live.
Well, take him with y'all.
He's 6 months
Miss Paul.
old.
Miss Paul.
Yes, ma'am.
Your parents came in here not to waste my time.
Thank you.
You obviously, with everything you're saying, is wasting my time because it's making 0 sense. 0. Do you know how many parents have gone to school? Excuse me, I'm talking to you. Address me.
I'm sorry. Yes.
Do you know how many parents have gone to school and have raised minor children? It happens every day, every single day.
Every day, countless parents raise their children without asking for special treatment. Yet she walked into court talking about vacations and a high-life lifestyle. The judge wasn't having it. One excuse after another crumbled under the weight of the gavel. The tension kept rising as the judge pressed for answers, and this time she had nowhere to hide.
You're not doing anything that's special. But since you're choosing this route, then your parents have to do what they have to do and make sure that you're at least financially supporting these children. Now, how much is it that you're making?
I make about $48,000 a year. Here they go.
They didn't even know you were making this kind of money?
I mean,
Answer the question. It's a yes or a no.
No.
You didn't tell your parents you're making this kind of money.
I didn't feel like I had to.
Why would you feel like that?
Because it's my name.
She was pulling in $48,000 a year, and somehow her parents had no idea. When confronted, she insisted the money was hers alone, but the judge wasn't interested in entitlement. Each question cut deeper, peeling back the layers until the next revelation promised to hit even harder.
You know what? Let me move over to your parents for 1 second.
This little selfish little girl of ours. Oh my Lord.
What is this about? What type of relationship do you all have?
Well, we thought it was pretty good, but evidently it's worse off than I thought. I mean, we raised her to be a better person, but evidently she went off track somehow. But
probably that year she went astray. That year and a half.
Yeah.
Okay.
She went astray for a year and a half when she was 16.
What I want to know is who's the father? I mean, what is the father doing? I mean,
you know, that is a good question.
Her parents spoke with clear disappointment, reminding her how far she had strayed from the values they once taught. Then the judge leaned forward, cutting through the tension with a sharp question. Who is the father? The room froze. Silence. Stretched, heavy and uncomfortable, until the first cracks of truth began to break through truth that was about to stun everyone present.
Child's father.
Do you even know who he is? In Hawaii with his wife or something.
What? Oh,
I mean,
he's married?
I said it was a mistake. I said it was a mistake.
Oh,
okay. Now it's making sense now.
Call what you did was a mistake, but the baby is not a mistake.
Exactly.
Okay.
He's the only
the mistake
boy in the family.
Baby,
so kind of all sound like a mistake to me.
Okay, well, you know what? I'm not going to mistake these child support numbers once I give them to you, okay? Now, you said you make about $48,000 a year. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The judge's voice grew firm, cutting through the tension. Her choices in the past might have been poor, but the child was no mistake. Then came the numbers cold, undeniable. Earning $48,000 a year, there was no hiding from the math. The gavel hovered, ready to strike. Each second pulled the judgment closer, and with it, the weight of accountability.
So that brings your gross to $4,000, making your net $3,356.08. Do you have any other children?
No.
Okay.
I don't know.
Don't.
Mr. Paul, what was that?
Trust me, I don't, and I don't plan
know.
on it.
She may have some more that we don't know about. So.
Okay. Well, hopefully, if that's the case, you all do not have to take those kids in either.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Miss Paul, I mean, this is ridiculous. You left that baby with your parents, do not provide any financial support, and then have the audacity not even to tell your parents how much money you're.
Next came the numbers gross income, net income, each one landing heavier than the last. Her parents could only shake their heads in disbelief. The judge didn't hold back. calling out the absurdity of leaving a baby in the grandparents' care without a single dollar of support, all while pulling in thousands each month. The tension rose with every word, building toward the inevitable, the support order, a number that would change her world forever.
That's just wrong.
I didn't even think that I had to tell them how much money comes into
No.
my account.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Really?
You're wrong, and I'm not going to sit up here and play like you're not. I'm telling you to your face, you're wrong. So, net is $3,356.08. Who can? Never mind. How much is health insurance for this baby?
Which?
It's like 250.
250, yeah, 250.
For the baby alone?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So we're also gonna make you reimburse health insurance of $250.
Excuse me?
That did you not hear me? You want me to say it a little louder? It's $250 for a health insurance reimbursement.
She tried to argue, but the judge cut her off cold, making it clear she was in the wrong. Then came the next blow, an extra $250 for health insurance. One by one, the costs stacked higher, each addition tightening the grip of reality. The total loomed larger, and with the gavel poised above, the final strike felt only moments away.
Your child support obligation of $671.
Yes.
That brings monthly child support to $921.
Okay, well, if I gotta pay that, I'm not coming around. Like,
And you know
You're
what?
either gonna get
And you know
child
what?
support or time.
I missed something. Because your parents asked for back pay.
Hello?
back
They
pay.
asked for back pay since the baby has been living with them. That comes out to $5,526, and I'm going to have you reimburse that at $100 a month.
Thank you.
That $921 plus an additional $100 comes out to $1,021 that you're going to be paying your parents every month.
When the final number dropped, it hit like a punch to the gut. $1,021 every month, plus back pay. Her shock was instant, but the judge's words cut through. Every choice carries consequences. Her parents had been the safety net, the ones who gave the child stability and care. Now the truth was inescapable, and as heavy as this moment was, the judge made it clear there was still more to come.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
Even
welcome.
though I was coming to visit him and stuff, like,
Even
Visit.
though you were coming to
Yes.
visit, you just said something key. You said visit. You're the parent. They should be visiting,
Hello.
not the other way around. They've raised you and your sister. It's not their responsibility to raise your child. So since they have chosen to take on that responsibility, you're going to be responsible for the financial side. Is there anything further?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further, Mr. and Mrs. Harrell? I'm sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Paul. I called you by your first name, Mr.
She tried to defend herself, claiming she had visited her child. But the judge cut in sharply: parents visit their children, not the other way around. The message was undeniable. This wasn't her parents' burden to carry anymore. They had already sacrificed more than enough. Now it was her responsibility. Each word from the bench drove the truth deeper, leaving no room to escape. It was time for her to step up financially and as a parent.
Let's take what we can get, because anything else?
Okay. No, I think
Want my
that's it.
money.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am?
Yes, I'm sorry, excuse me, when you get done.
Yes, ma'am. Was there something else you needed to
No,
let me know?
ma'am.
Okay. I heard you mumble a little bit. I didn't know if you had something else to say.
I had something in my throat.
Oh, okay.
I bet you did.
Mrs. Paul. Mr. Paul, that's inappropriate.
Oh,
Mrs.
I'm sorry.
Paul.
I'm sorry.
We just need to make sure, we need to set up visitation schedule, because she does need to take care of them.
Yes, she does.
When we
A quiet mutter slipped out, but it was enough to ignite a sharp clash. The judge cut it off. Immediately, disrespect would not be tolerated. When visitation entered the conversation, the truth became unavoidable. No court could make her show up for her child. In this moment, it wasn't about love, it was about money. The fractures within the family were already wide, and with every word spoken, the weight of those stakes grew heavier, impossible to ignore.
Legally, you can't force her to do that, okay? The only thing you all can do is, make sure you maintain your custody, right? And she can see the baby, but that's going to depend on what she wants to do. If she doesn't want to visit the child, I can't make her do that, but I can make her pay.
Well, we'll rather take something instead of nothing.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a good life.
I will.
In the end, the grandparents left the courtroom with legal custody, a bittersweet victory. Pride had to give way to the child's needs, and the decision made that crystal clear. As the room slowly emptied, one message lingered in the air. Responsibility isn't just a word, it's a duty.